Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. I have an absolutely killer floor plan for you. This thing crushes all the boxes on the list. This is the all-new 2024 Quantum LP27. It has so many amazing features. Let's start outside because I love talking about everything on here. First, if you love to tailgate, right? Check this out. 12-volt cooler, fits right here, plugs in right here. You have a nice shelf up here, something else you want to plug in, maybe some mixed beverages. Maybe you're out at a tailgate. Plug that right in here, make up all of the drinks for you. Tankless hot water on this as well. You have a steel bumper on this. And I love this, right? Little exterior hose, turn your water pump on, hook this up, spray off the mud and dirt. Maybe you have some bikes on that hitch, or maybe you came back from a hike, or you just want to give the dog a bath. You can do that right here. Other favorite exterior kitchen feature. Look at this. Look at that. Griddle. Love cooking on a griddle. You don't have to even bring your own. It's built right in here. You get this all seasoned, and make sure you season your griddle top before you use it, or you will be thoroughly disappointed. Things will stick, they will burn. Watch a video on how to season it, and you can do everything you want in here. It's great for fish, burgers, dogs, breakfasts are absolutely amazing on that. And it hooks right here into your exterior propane connection. Look at that. That couldn't be more convenient. That is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful setup. It's tailgating beast. That's what this is. Little storage bay down here. Rotocast storage as well. So if you are using this as a party wagon, you can fill that with ice and drinks. Everybody's happy. Another set of plugs right here. GFCI at that. Camping chairs, things that you need a little more length for, those can go right in here. And again, we'll go back to just the tailgating. How about you watch the exterior TV? There you go. This blocks the sun, or you can put out the power patio awning. There's an LED light strip on there as well, so at night that makes a nice night light. But you can go ahead right in here, even a built-in sound bar, Bluetooth, everything you need for exterior entertainment on this. And you're saying, well, how long is this? This thing's got to be massive, because that exterior is just chock full of everything I want. Well, this is coming in at 28 feet, 8 inches long. It's built on a Ford E-Series chassis. We are going to go over everything that you get with that as we head inside real quick. In the doorway here, number of buttons and switches for your awning, your cargo lights, your 12-volt battery disconnect. This has the electric stabilizers, 100 watts of solar charging, and an auto gen start on this for your generator. Control panel up here for your slide. Start the generator, check your tank levels, everything you need to do right from there. Massive overhead bunk, 800-pound capacity. Can sleep 2 people up here, crash right up here for the night. This just flips right down into there, and there's a ladder that stores in the back that easily sets up. USB charging, you have storage right, oh, sorry baby, storage right there. So hide things in there as a little safe. There you go, little fella, right back where you belong. Happy baby, that's what you want when you are traveling, right? You want happy travelers. You're gonna get it in this Quantum. I have the seat cushions in here, so when these seats spin around, that your legs, you get a little more leg room. Obviously, you don't want to use these when you're driving, but fully featured dash. Again, this is a Ford E-Series, 7.3 liter, all the engine specs and towing. You can see that right now at the bottom of your screen. Heated remote mirrors on this. Button here looking at trip meters and maintenance reminders and all the vitals of your Quantum. Cruise control. Button over here controls your infotainment center. The little camera button right here, that is going to pull up your backup camera. You have built-in side view cameras on this as well, so when you press that at any point before you make a lane change, you can pop that on and see if anybody's in your blind spot. It's got all the bells and whistles on here. Sirius XM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You download your favorite RV navigation app, and you plug in your phone right here, you pair it up, and you're good to go. Lots of storage up here. Places for maps and guides and cups and sunglasses and wallets and easy passes, whatever it is, you need on your travels and whatever you need to do from relaxing to entertaining, right here in the Dream Dinette. You know how much I love these. I talk about them all the time. One of my favorite seating options because it does so much. I mean, for the ride, you're going to have seat belts here. Look, you even have safety tethers back there. Remember the picture of the baby? That's where he's going to ride. That little guy's going to ride right back there. Whee! I love traveling in my Quantum, Mom and Dad. Guaranteed. Wireless charging built in. USB-A, USB-C, cup holders here. This also makes into a great place to sleep. Look at that. You have little lights here, speakers right now tied into the dash, 3 storage cabinets up above. Turn on these lights with that switch. So really a lot of options over here. And again, having it make into a bed, and with the plug down here, you know what you can do? You could take and plug in your laptop, set that up here, connect to the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot Wi-Fi extender, set up your own safe, secure internet so you have your own strong signal from your favorite carrier. You're not relying on internet from somewhere nearby. I mean, if you want to, it'll help pull in that signal and you can do that, but you can also set up your own and you're gonna be happy. So spin around, take a look at this decor. This is called White Truffle with our Cali collection. You have the 2-tone cabinets, you have the nice white up top, you have the gray down below. Just a beautiful look. It's very inviting. You know, if you're entertaining, people are gonna wanna be in here. Awesome kitchen. Roll-up sink cover for our large stainless steel sink. Pull-down sprayer on this. Lots of storage. Lots and lots of storage, right? Everything you need can store in here. Generous portion. I guess I'm looking at this and I'm hungry, so I'm thinking generous portion. If it looks like we're making some sort of sea scallop kebabs, but a generous portion. This Quantum serves up a generous portion of counter space right here for you, as well as a side of pop-up outlets. You have GFCIs right there, USB-C, USB-A, and wireless charging right there. Today is a good day for a good day. You remember that, you write that down, you take that with you everywhere you go, and it's a good day to travel in your Quantum LP27. 3-burner gas cooktop right here, an oven down below, microwave right up top, so anything you want to prepare, from little poppers to bigger things for your party, your entertaining, you can do all of that right here. Over to the storage in here. Check this out. Check out the size of the storage. Hanging rods, shelves, a place for the ladder for the overhead bunk, more drawers down below. This holds a ton of gear. Gear, clothes, whatever you need to pack as we move back. Nice large refrigerator. Again, we have the auto gen start on here. Fridge, a freezer, your double door fridge. And now the entertaining highlight. I love, absolutely love this setup. Check out this, check this out. Look at this. You have your TV. You're watching TV. You have a fireplace down here. You can turn that on. You can adjust the colors. You can adjust the heat. You can adjust the brightness. So it's a great feature to have, and it does throw off a ton of heat on an absolutely chilly day. Over here, 2 drawers. Another large cabinet up in here. Look how big this is. Just an absolutely large storage space right up here. And then over to our couch, where you have a 12-volt and USB-C and 110s, which is great, and you set something here when you are in couch mode, but this works really well too. You just move those cushions, use your incredibly long arms, pull this down. Check this out. Murphy bed. Oh, I didn't pull out the foot stand. There you go. Now we're cooking, right? Wireless charging over there, a couple of lights up above, 3 cabinets, an absolutely great setup here, and it folds right up out of the way. You never, ever have to make your bed again in the Quantum. Then you just lock that back into place. You set your cushions back down. And there you go. You are back into sofa mode. More storage. Would you look at this? Another large closet right here. Another large closet. I'll let Tom slide into the bathroom there, show off the closet and all of the other great features we are going to find in here. So you can really pack this thing up for long, long trips. Sink, medicine cabinet. You have your toilet, your foot flush toilet in there. You have your shower, you have your skylight, everything you need in a bathroom on the go. Absolutely beautiful motorhome. It is the all-new Quantum LP27, Quantum LC, our luxury collection. We have other floor plans. If for some strange reason this doesn't fit what you need, it's all right. There's a lot to explore, so build your own Quantum LC at thormotorcoach.com.